Alright YouTube, here we have this Crompton greaves. It's a 48-inch model. The motor says it's a 42-inch model, but all the motors I have are 42-inch motors, so I don't know. But it looks good, it runs fine. Let's go ahead and put it on to low speed. It's missing the bushing. All of them are missing the bushing, so they all have that rough start to them. Low, we're going 0.26. Go to medium speed. This one's quite buzzy. Medium, we're going 0.41. Last beat. Let's go ahead and go to full tip. Drawing 0.61. Very good fans. Let's go ahead and turn it up. Good. These all needed new screws, and they will need bushings, but you can hang them with a bolt, so it's not terrible. I have 4 of these, 2 with a light kit, 2 without a light kit. Bearings are in good shape. Very good bearings. I'm going to try and get through all 4 of these today. There you go. Thanks for watching.